Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to sign up for Telegram. Telegram is an online messaging application that works like popular messaging apps, Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. The Telegram users can send and exchange messages, photos, videos, stickers, audios and files. So if you want to sign up for Telegram and enjoy the messaging app on your device, you can download the Telegram application from Play Store and install it for free. After you have downloaded and installed the Telegram application, you can tap open the application. After opening Telegram, you need to enter the mobile number for continuing the sign up process. So enter your number. After that, you can tap on the next arrow button. Then Telegram will send you a verification code on that number. So you need to enter the verification code on this fill in the blanks. After you have entered the code, now you need to enter your name and add a profile picture if you prefer. So enter your name. After you have entered your name, you can tap on the next arrow button once again. And finally, you have created your account on Telegram, and then you can start using the Telegram for the online messaging with your contacts and sharing your photos, videos and other files. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you have learned how to sign up for Telegram from your phone. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.